Are you tired of jumping between applications to manage your extracted data? Introducing Tables by Browse AI, your new hub for easy access to all your data. With Tables, you can manage your extracted data all in one place. No need for Google Sheets or Excel, get direct access within your Browse AI dashboard. Enjoy a timeline of your robot's history at a glance. Filter data effortlessly to view exactly what you need. Export your data to CSV or JSON for flexible offline use. What makes Tables unique? It centralizes your data management to streamline your workflow, eliminating unnecessary tools. This keeps everything simple, efficient, and tailored to your needs. Think about how seamless it will be to add URLs and watch data automatically populate your table. Imagine the ease of importing CSV files with thousands of rows, instantly extracted. Or effortlessly refreshing outdated data with just one click. Don't just take our word for it. Experience Tables for yourself. Head to your Browse AI dashboard now. Your feedback matters. Let us know what you love, what you want to see, and any hiccups you encounter. Visit our help center to dive deeper into Tables. Stay updated on the latest releases by subscribing to the Browse AI newsletter. Take action today, your data's potential is just a click away.